Oh no! The cake sank in the middle. If this nightmare haunts you, and if you always wonder why does it happen, here is your answer. Watch this video to know why your cake sinks in the middle. Oven temperature can alone ruin your cake. Woefully not all ovens bake accurately. Good idea is to check your oven temperature before starting your cake. Though baking powder is a must for cakes, expired baking powder will make your cake sink in the middle. Too much soda is not good for your cake either. Their sudden uplift will cause the center collapse and make your cake sink. Taking your cake out of the oven before it's well cooked is a big no-no. No matter how lovely the batter is, if the cake is undercooked, it is bound to end up in a disaster. The batter will remain soggy and the texture will make the center sink while cooled downs. Maintaining the ingredients with the right proportion is crucial for getting the perfect shape and texture. More egg or less flour will make the batter more flowy and make the center sink. Beating the butter, sugar and eggs light and creamy is very important. However, while mixing flour and baking soda with this mixture, don't overbeat them. Overbeating will allow too much air in the batter. As a result, the middle will collapse after a sudden rise. Be careful with the moisture content. Every minute of baking is important to keep the moisture in optimum position. Too much moisture makes the cake soggy and too little will break the good texture. In both cases, the middle will collapse. Who doesn't love a tempting piece of cake? But a little carelessness can turn your hard work into a disaster. To learn more about cakes and baking, enroll Cupcake and Baking Diploma today. Make lovely cakes and enjoy.